Hey everyone, welcome back to Dave's Shop. Hey, today I want to show you an item that I picked up for the shop. This is a 50-foot retractable extension cord. It's by Dewenwils. I hope I didn't mispronounce their name. It's spelled Dewenwils. Anyway, got this 50-foot retractable extension cord. I'm going to put it up in the shop, and I think every shop should have one of these, because think about how many times you have to wrap up your extension cords. With these retractable reels, you just pull them out the length you need them. When you stop, it holds it in place. When you're done, you pull on it one more time, it rolls it up for you nice and neat, and keeps it out of the way for you. This particular one comes with 3 outlets on the end, so you can plug in 3 different items. This is a 14 gauge wire. It has a 4-foot extension cord on it, so you can mount this within 4 feet of a regular 120 volt outlet. This is a poly case that it's in. It's very heavy duty, so you don't have to worry about that falling or cracking or anything like that. It's going to hold up over time. It's got super heavy duty black painted steel bracket that's pre-mounted to this, and it also comes with a wall mount bracket. Now, just for demonstration purposes, I have it set here. You want to make sure when you install this, you can install this on the ceiling or on a wall. And when you do, if you're going to do wood screws on the wall, make sure that you get them in a stud, because you need it to hold it in place when you're pulling on the extension cord too. So I'm guessing this thing's probably 10 or 15 pounds hanging on the wall, plus if you're pulling on it, extending the extension cord, you're going to need to make sure that it's very secure. So like I said, just make sure you find a stud. It comes with 4 wood screws. It also comes with 4 expansion screws that you could use in concrete if you were going to mount it in a concrete wall. I'm going to be mounting mine on a stud, wood stud, so I'm going to find the stud and use the wood screws to hold it in place. It does come with a 1-year warranty and instructions. Make sure you read the instructions, because it tells you about how to mount them and the safety features for using it. Okay, and so another neat feature that it has here, when you extend this out, this has a cord stop. You can extend it if you want this piece to hang down further and longer, or you can shorten it, and it just slides up and down. Just pull the cord out, slides up and down. You can shorten how much of it hangs out. Pretty neat feature there. What I'm going to do next is I'm going to get it mounted on the wall, and once I get it mounted, I'm going to show you how it works. Okay, I'm back. Got it installed here, mounted on a stud. One of the features I wanted to show you from earlier is this 50-foot reel also has a built-in 13 amp breaker. So if for some reason you had a power surge or something, this breaker's going to kick in, cut the power so that there's no issues, and you can reset it just by pushing the button in. Wanted to show you how well you can see that it's flat up against the wall either way, either direction, and you can pull it out. And just pull till it. You may have to do it a couple of times. There we go. And you have your 3 prongs like I mentioned before. You get through with it, you're ready to roll it up. You just pull it one more time, and rolls the cord back in place, nice and neat, and you're good to go there. Hopefully this was helpful. If it was, I'm going to put a link down in the description, so if you're interested in this 50-foot cord, you can follow that link. If it was helpful, make sure you hit the like button. Don't forget to share this with your friends and family, and most of all, subscribe. Until next time, stay safe.